Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shifta energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, nag-flip agad tong 5 of Cups natin and 6 of Wands. We also have here the 10 of Pentacles, 7 of Swords, the Knight of Wands, another Knight, Pentacles, Ace of Swords, and the Magician. Bottom card, ouch, 3 of Swords. So, feeling betrayed ka with this person na maaring air or fire sign. So, maaaring dalawang tao din ito na sumira sa tiwala mo or feeling mo pinagtulungan ka ng mga taong to. Pagkatapos mo silang pagkatiwalaan, maring running for promotion ka na and then siniraan ka ng mga taong to tapos sila yung na-promote at hindi ikaw. Kaya ngayon parang feeling mo pinagsakloban ka ng langit at lupa, pinagtulungan ka, mga ganyan na feeling mo ngayon. Pero don't lose hope kasi tingnan mo with this 10 of Pentacles, meron din tayong Ace of Swords. Medyo mabagal lang ang dating nito pero ayan, matatamasa mo din itong minamanifest mo. Lalo na sa iyong career. Kung parehas man nangyari ito, career and love life, talagang feeling mo is nag-combo pa sila. Na nagkaroon ka ng betrayal sa iyong love life and career. Kaya meron tayong dalawang knights dito. So we have here diamond and healing crystal, deep well, newspaper, rain, and scissors. Ring, bottom card. So may good news naman kasi na paparating. So kailangan na mag-heal from the past, mga nangyari. Kasi may coming in na talagang mas maganda. Kasi ibig sabihin, yung mga nawala, hindi talaga para sa'yo or meron pang mas higit pa na darating. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ano bang message ng Archangels? Ayan, tingnan mo to, gifts from God. By Archangels on the phone, we angels bring you gifts from your Creator. Open your arms to receive. So, huwag kang mawawalan ng pag-asa, no? Kahit na hindi mo nakuha yung promotion na to, meron pang mas higit na darating doon. Mas malaki pa doon ang kapalit nung nawala sa'yo. And kung pinagtaksilan ka rin sa love life, kung parehas nangyari ito sa love life at saka sa career mo, may darating na mas higit pa. My life is not as together as it seems. We will be together again. I bury myself in work to forget you. I love you. You speak to me through music. I wish I could take back my words. Grateful for the spiritual lesson. I feel you even though we are apart. I couldn't let you get close to me. Kasi ang ano dito magugulat ka Magugulat ka na lang dito sa mga kapalit ng mga nawala sa'yo noon. Mga biyaya sa'yo ni Lord ng universe. And at the same time, itong taong to na nakit sa'yo, na nag-cause itong Three of Swords natin dito, ay matagal na kayong walang usap-usap, cut off communication, and then maaaring makarinig ka rin ng balita tungkol sa kanya. Maaaring mag-start siya ng conversation with you, lalo na paparating ang Mercury retrograde, maaaring makipag-usap siya sa'yo. Guarded and wounded. Willing to take the risk. Feeling left out in the cold. So, yan na nga parang nang-ghost din tong taong to. Can't let you go. I want to surprise you. Can't decide. I watch you from afar, waiting for you. So, maring it's a surprise. Surprise visit. Ayan, pero nag-iisip pa to Di pa siya nakakapag-decide talaga totally. Pero, this person is watching you. Ayan, waiting for you. Bottom card. Working hard for our future. So, kuha tayo ng initial. F. E. U. S. N. Letter N. J. C. D. And I. Bottom card, letter K. So, kuha tayo ng blue card. We have here commitment, regret, and engagement. Oh, so maaring engage na sana kayo nitong taong ito, pero this person choose someone else pa. And then gusto niyang ituloy. Gusto niyang ituloy itong engagement na to with you, itong proposal na naudlot because of a third party. So, tingnan natin. General signs and messages. We have here Aquarius, Divine Masculine. Neighbor, Flower Farm. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Virgo, Dimple, Weird. Quiet person, Gemini, Friendly, February. Visayas, Cold City, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, North, PH, Talented, full of charisma, travel. So, kung long distance, ayan, magta-travel. So, we have nature lover, September, gorgeous, Mindanao, future lover, kind-hearted, summer, number 2, June, and 7. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.